Information is raising troubling questions about a deadly police shooting in Long Beach. Mary Beth McDade live at Long Beach with the story, MB.
Well, Micah, the police chief says that two officers who were hidden inside a home back here opened fire on Doug Zerby after he pointed what appeared to be a weapon at them. However, it's unclear if Zerby, who was extremely intoxicated, even knew they were there.
We too agree that this incident was tragic.
Well, both the Long Beach police chief and Doug Zerby's family agree the officer-involved shooting that claimed Zerby's life 2 months ago was tragic. Zerby's family believes it was a tragedy that could have been avoided.
It all comes back to you observed this man for almost 8 minutes, and never once in that 8 minutes did you think to identify yourself. You know, there was no verbal communication, there was no visual eye contact. My brother did not know that he was being observed. He did not know there were police on site.
The chief says two officers responded to a 911 call that a drunk man was sitting on a neighbor's stoop waving around what appeared to be a weapon Sunday evening, December 12th. 7 minutes later, after taking cover in a neighbor's house and never revealing they were there, the officers unleashed a hail of bullets, hitting him 12 times with a shotgun and handgun.
Mr. Zerby sustained wounds to the chest, arms, and lower legs. The doctor who performed the autopsy informed investigators that the location and pattern of injuries sustained by Mr. Zerby were consistent with someone in a seated position, feet flat on the floor, with knees bent.
The chief acknowledged at a news briefing there was no indication Zerby, who had a blood alcohol level of 0.42 and had other drugs in his system, even knew officers were at the scene.
We will never be able to know what he saw, what his understanding was.
The chief says they didn't reveal they were there because they were waiting for backups and a mental evaluation team to arrive. But when Zerby pointed the gun towards the house they were in, they felt threatened and didn't realize it was really a water nozzle in his hands and not a handgun. And the chief says that the LA County District Attorney's Office, as well as the Long Beach Police Department, are conducting their own investigations to try to get to the bottom of what really happened out here 3 months ago. For now, reporting live in Long Beach, Mary Beth McDade. Michael, send it back to you in Hollywood.
Mary Beth, thank you.